Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So this video is going to be a PalmPay update. Now I just want to tell you guys that heads up, this is only for Nigerians. PalmPay is available in Nigeria. So last year PalmPay did something like this, but I didn't participate in it. But this year is going to be my first time, and I'll explain everything throughout the video. So first of all, you're going to open PalmPay, and then you're going to look for this 400 million naira cash world travel carnival. Look for something like this. If you did not see that, you see this 400 million gala. Anyone just click on it. So you click on join now. So let me explain. This is a kind of updates from PalmPay where you have to get cards. Before we talk about the cards, let's talk about the reward structure. So December 17th to 25th, this thing started in December 17th and is going to run through till 25th, and is going to offer two people are going to get free travel tickets to two countries, and also they are sharing 180 million naira for the remaining people. Then on December 25th to 31st, which immediately after the first phase is finished, the second phase continues. It has two travels and 120 million naira for the people that the many people. Mind you, it's not for one person, it's for like a group of people. It's like, let's say up to thousands of people will share the remaining money, not one person. So it's just going to be two people that will win the travel. Same thing with the last phase, which is December 31st to January 8th, where you'll be able to earn two travels and 100 million naira rewards for other people. So it's one week. So the first week is we are in phase one now. So I want you guys to take it serious for phase one. Then the results will be showed immediately after phase one. That's immediately phase two started. The results that they will do the lucky draw, then the results will be out. So you can earn probably from 5,000 to 10,000 naira weekly if you do this update. Probably, I said probably 5,000. It can range higher than that, it can range lower than that. Okay. So but remember that it's for 3 weeks. So first of all, let me explain the card. So you are going to need to get a you need to get all these five city cards. You need to get London, Dubai, New York, Sydney, and Cape Town. These five cities, you need to get their cards. And when you get their cards, you can redeem it to get a world card. Now, what's a world card? Is a combined of these five cities. Now, when you get the world card is going to make you is going to is what that is going to make you qualify for any reward that is up, whether it's the travel reward or the 180 million they're sharing for everyone. So, first of all, let me explain to you how you guys can get cards before you talk about the world card. So, to get cards, you really need to go back to the tax section. You see that there are different tax: transfer to bank, turn on, spend, and save, different tax. So, these tax will give you an opportunity to get cards. Let me do one. Let me turn on spend and save. So, you click on go. Then you're going to turn on spend and save. They are going just you don't need to do this. I'm just showing to you guys that when you do a tax, this spend and save. You see that I earned one opportunity was three, so I earned four. Now you can do many. There are many tasks you can do. Just try to be doing tasks. But some of the tasks that you can do right is you can transfer to bank. If for those of you that have OPay or you have two PalmPay account, you can inter transfer, or you can transfer to OPay and transfer back to PalmPay, transfer back to OPay, transfer back to PalmPay. Or just find anyhow you just need to do. Then also you can refer people. Yes, you can refer people to click on your link, and then they'll be able to visit this refer and end page. So you can invite people. Yes, you can actually invite someone. So you click on invite and then you copy your link. You'll be able to invite the person get um on this page. Okay. So for that, you are going to earn one opportunity also. If you invite someone, you're going to earn one opportunity. There are different taxes. There are also rare tax. Rare tax are going to highly give you rare coins like Rondon. Rondon is a very, very rare coin. And one fun thing about this is that you can also share cards with your friends. And we'll talk more about that as we go on this video. But you can get cards, you see, I got New York. So I exchanged one of my opportunities to get New York. If I can get card again, I got New York again. So they are just some of them are normal, you can get all of the cards. Why cards like London are very, very rare. So that's why it's very, very like kind of like a rare opportunity. As you can see, I've gotten one of Dubai, one of Sydney, one of Cape Town, and one of New York, but I haven't gotten London because London is very, very rare. So that's it. Now let me show you guys how you can share to your friend. If you click on the swap cards with friend, you can swap any of your cards. For instance, maybe you have many New York and your friend has London. You can swap your New York for your for one London from your friend. That's it. When you click on ask cards from friend, it will show you how to. You just follow the prompts. Okay. So because I don't have London card, but if I say I want to send to friend, you see this is the share ID. I will block this ID because I don't want anybody to get the cards. I'm not sharing it to anyone. But yeah, this is the ID. You just copy the ID and share it to your friend. But in such a way where me, I'm not sharing it to anyone. It's still remain in my section. And if you click on the redeem section, you'll be able to redeem card IDs. Okay, you'll be able to redeem card IDs to if you want to get someone, you'll be able to redeem a card ID. All right. So that is it about the update. You can click up. You can go over to your top right, you see this place, you click on it, you'll be able to read more rules about the event. All right, so I explained everything that I could as possible as I can for the update. So thank you guys for watching this video. The link to join is in the description box, or you can just easily just open PalmPay and click on it yourself. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.